Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. For this you just need basic declaration and definition of Python variables, and also if you need you can use if statement. Okay, so without any delay let us jump into our Python. I am on my PyCharm now. Firstly we need to declare and define the variable for our temperature in Celsius. I'll take it to be C. I'll have int. I'll use input function here. Enter the temperature in Celsius. Okay, now I want to convert it to Fahrenheit. I'll use it to be F. F is equals to, we have the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit in as the temperature in Celsius multiplied by 32 when added to multiplied by 1.8 and added to 32. Okay, and finally we need a print statement. Very simple program, right? We just need a plus operator and a multiplication operator, and declaring and defining the statements. We have an input statement here, and finally we have a print statement to print our Fahrenheit values. Here for our convenience let us use the statement, the temperature in Fahrenheit is, I use comma here, you can also use plus operator there. Now I'll run my program. Run. Yeah, my Python console is asking me to enter the temperature in centigrade. I'll use 32 degrees Celsius. Yeah, my temperature in Fahrenheit is 89.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, here let us also print the degree Fahrenheit symbol. I'll use cap F and I'll run my program again. I'll use 27, yeah, 80.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, in this way you can convert centigrade to Fahrenheit. You can use any conversions. You can have Fahrenheit to Celsius and also to Kelvin, and also changing the formula you can also convert any other values. For example, we have length conversions, we have weight conversions from kilos, pounds, etc. So you can use to make a converter by changing your formula. Okay, that's all. So for basic Python programs, please subscribe to my channel. Also you can find Python tutorial in my channel. Also if you like this video, please like it, and if you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Thank you.